Hello everyone! Today I want to continue our conversation about pants. Last time I showed you a lot of different designs. Now you know that modern trousers can be different. It took me some time to understand that there are two types of women. The ones who sew, wear and love trousers, and the ones who try to understand how to make them. They're trying to find a pattern for a pair of trousers which will fit them perfectly everywhere. Here, it's impossible. If you want to wear close-fitting pants which fit all the parts of your bodies perfectly, buy a pair of leggings. Classic trousers are always a bit loose here. I'm not talking about tight ones. If you make pants which are tight here, you won't be able to walk. If you make them too tight here, you won't be able to sit. Have a look at my pants. I bought them in Max Mara shop in Paris. Notice how they fit me. Of course, there are some gathers here when I stand this way. I'm not a statue which can stand still this way. I move all the time, so the pants look good on me. Well, the pockets really are too wide for me. If I was making this pair of trousers, I would make them a bit different. Anyway, once I remember the price of these pants, I think that they're absolutely perfect. Have a look at the back. When I make a step, there are folds here. It's absolutely okay. Have a close look at my pants. They're pretty loose, but they're definitely not wide. I feel very comfortable in them. I'm complimented each time I put them on. Do not search for perfect pants. They do not exist. While some people waste time trying to find an appropriate pattern, we, people who are not that sophisticated, wear amazing pants. I've already showed you how to steam and iron trousers to make them fit you well. This is enough. I'll make a course for you, in which I will show you how to sew trousers from scratch. I've already told you that I prefer to wear pants made of natural fabrics. I don't like artificial fabrics. My problem is that my waist is bigger than hips. Because of that, pants which fit me well on the waistline are too big for me in the hips. These Max Mara pants fit my regular body pretty well. I'm pretty happy with what I can get. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Now you know how to make pants fit you. Good luck! My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.